For the first time, Turkey showed the Bayraktar TB3 carrier-based folding-wing drone to the international public at the UMEX 2024 event held in Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates Way. The famous drone development company from Turkey, Baykar Makina, brought its latest drone Bayraktar TB3 to be shown to the international public. There is a strong reason if the United Arab Emirates shows great interest in this Bayraktar TB3. Therefore, the question is, what are the advantages of the Bayraktar TB3? The Bayraktar TB3 is Turkey's medium-altitude long-endurance male unmanned combat aerial vehicle UCAV. The TB3 drone is specifically designed to meet the needs of the Turkey Navy, with the aim of future operations of the Turkish aircraft carrier TCG Anadolu. The advantages of the Bayraktar TB3 drone, capable of landing and taking off on land or sea platforms with a very short runway ranging from 150 meters. As a propulsion, Bayraktar TB3 is powered by a fuel-efficient 172 PSPD 170 engine and has a power of 172 horsepower with thrust up to 750 newtons. The drone, equipped with domestic engines, has the highest performance scores in its class worldwide and is a unique and advanced unmanned aerial vehicle UAV with special capabilities. The Bayraktar TB3 has dimensions with a length of 8.35 meters and a wingspan of 14 meters, as well as a maximum takeoff weight MTOW of 1,450 kilograms. It can fly at a cruising speed of 232 kilometers per hour and has a maximum speed of 280 kilometers per hour with an operational range of 1,000 knots or 1,900 kilometers per hour. While there are other drones in the same category, the TB3's unique features and capabilities set it apart from other drones. However, one of the standout features of the Bayraktar TB3 is that it is larger in size and foldable wings, so it can be stored and easily carry out launches on naval platforms such as aircraft carriers. In appearance, it is similar to its predecessor, Bayraktar TB2. The TB3 version has a wider wingspan reaching 24 meters. This larger wingspan not only improves the aerodynamic efficiency of the drone, but also increases its payload capacity, allowing it to carry more weapons. The payload capacity of the TB3 drone is capable of carrying a weight of 280 kilograms, and this is more than the payload capacity of the TB2 drone. While on strike missions, the Bayraktar TB3 can carry a variety of weapons, including precision-guided munitions. With 6 hardpoints placed under its foldable wings, it includes precision weaponry such as Sirit laser-guided rockets, MOM-L anti-infantry bombs, MOM-T anti-tank missiles, and Bozdogan air-to-air missiles. Bayraktar TB3 is equipped with a comprehensive range of sensors, including a high-resolution camera and infrared sensor. In terms of avionics, the TB3 drone is expected to feature advanced flight control systems for stability and precise maneuverability integrated with GPS and inertial navigation systems. In addition, the Bayraktar TB3 has a synthetic imaging radar SAR system, which can penetrate clouds and fog to detect targets at ground, or sea level. The drone also has a SATCOM antenna, which allows it to communicate and operate over long distances, thanks to line-of-sight and beyond line-of-sight capabilities. SATCOM capabilities, facilitating remote command and control and real-time data transfer for ISR intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. There is no specific information about the battery life of the Bayraktar TB3 drone. However, during flight tests, it was discovered that the drone has a long endurance capability. The TB3 is capable of traveling 5,700 kilometers in the air, and this demonstrates its exceptional endurance capabilities, allowing it to operate day and night for long periods without interruption. The timeline shows the continuous operational performance of the TB3 drone over a sustained period, further strengthening its flight endurance capability for up to 50 hours. It also shows endurance levels beyond the typical range, which is observed on most medium-altitude long-endurance male-class armed drones UCAVs, which generally last for 24 to 27 hours without refueling. The Bayraktar TB3, developed by Baykar Defense Company, designed for intelligence, reconnaissance, surveillance, and strike operations using smart weapons, makes it a significant advance in the field of UAVs. Therefore, this drone is classified as very suitable if it plunges on the battlefield, because it carries an electronic warfare area system or communication relay system to support the main mission and others. The Bayraktar TB3 will play an important role in transforming naval as well as land operations, expanding Turkey's capabilities in its military defense, as well as strengthening its presence with significant advances in future unmanned aerial vehicle technology.